Yo, what is good, you guys? Welcome back. I have a lot to cover today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. But anyways, this is how we did today. Performing on the SPY, we took one position. The AM session was a win. Caught 21 handles on this trade, so nice, beautiful trade. But I did want to say we did take a trade yesterday, and we did lose. But looking at price action at the end of the day, right, it was a very seek and destroy kind of day, right? A lot of ups and downs. So I wasn't really sure where I went wrong with my read, so. But we did get a liquidity sweep here of these London lows, tapped into this new day opening gap, had an SMT formed. That's when I decided to enter, stop at the low of that SMT, targeting the London high as well as this hourly inefficiency that we had. And yeah, as you can see, that ended up fell. We got close here, and before price ended up filling the new day opening gap more. And as you can see, what price did for the rest of the session, kind of just up down chop. So yeah, that's why I didn't make a video, but today I could explain a lot better prices, what price did today, and give you my read. But anyways, let me just quit yapping and go ahead and get right into it. We did have red folder news at 2 o'clock, so I marked that out here, even though it is FOMC meeting minutes, not the crazy FOMC that we're used to. I still marked that out since it is a red impact folder news event. But coming into today, this was that hourly inefficiency from yesterday's session, right? That I had as my TP. And I noticed during London we're approaching that hourly inefficiency getting to market open, so I wanted to see how price respected it. And as you can see, we get market open and price displaces very aggressively to the upside. So I'm looking at the higher time frames to see what do we had to the upside. And we did have this new week opening gap as well as this previous session London high back here. So once price got to that London high that tapped into the new week opening gap, is when I decided to look for a retracement. See, we never retraced back into this first presented fair value gap, even on the NASDAQ. So I was looking for a retracement back into that area, but since I was short here and price closed below that first presented fair value gap, I held to this 15-minute low, 15-minute fair value gap low that was created at market open. And as you can see, TP got hit there. Nice, beautiful exit. And price ended up respecting this 15-minute low that had traced into this inefficiency that was created in the London session and reversed from there, right? Here's that 15-minute low, and what did price do? Respect that level, make its way back up to the all-time highs. And then I later noticed that we had created SMT between the NASDAQ and ES. Here, I can show you on SPY better, right? So here's the all-time highs on SPY. Here's the all-time highs on NASDAQ, right? NASDAQ cleared those all-time highs before it reversed and dumped there. So there was a higher time frame SMT, however, I did not see it till later on in the day, but that was there, and that could have been used as a confluence. But again, I entered short solely on respecting this or expecting the retracing back into this first presented fair value gap. And since we took out this level of liquidity here and we just kept running up, right? I wasn't expecting such an aggressive pullback like this, but yeah, it happened. But yeah, it's enough yapping for me. I think I might have went over my 5 minutes again. The intro might get cut out, but I'm just go ahead and end it off here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We take a trade. If not, I won't. I'll post a clip for you guys at the end of this, as well as the entry. See you guys next time.
Word filled.
Yo, what in the world is that? No way, dude. That is good. Lord, bless that shade. Look at that beautiful delivery. Absolutely beautiful.